boy is going to be filming probably the rest of the day. I twisted my knee on my stupid Tame Dog. My body is facing one way. Got the robo leg on, the knee brace, but boy, does this suck. I respect the commitment.
Look at the hole I made.
Yeah, dude, that hole is gnarly. What is up, guys? We're here on our last day of Mammoth. Knees feeling all right. I think I should be able to get some riding in. We're out here with the boys, filming some tutorials. Gonna shred it. I think it's gonna be like 70 degrees. The optimal spring riding conditions that we could ever ask for. It's gonna be an absolute ride. All right, guys, last run at Mammoth right there through the park. Ate it on everything. But that was super fun. Had a blast. This trip has been absolutely amazing, guys.
Yeah, it has. Dude, almost had the front seven. The front flip attack too all trip.
All trip. Just
but hey, I didn't land mine either. We went for it hard the other day. But man, what a sick day, sick trip. Thanks for coming.
Absolutely. All right, guys, just got done shredding Mammoth. Complete insanity all the days here. Trying new tricks, throwing down. Definitely not landing anything, but had the time of my life. Thank you, Johnathan, for inviting me out to this. It was an absolute riot, especially since we've never really ridden together. Until next time, guys.